In front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Now tap on Screen Lock over here and pick one of those login methods to select the best one for you: pattern, PIN or password. When you're ready, wait 5 seconds and select Got it in the pop-up. Now it's time to create your login method. If you made a mistake, hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. When you finished, you need to repeat it to confirm it, remember it, and tap on confirm at the bottom right corner. If you wanna add your fingerprint right away, select add in the pop-up. If you don't, click on cancel. You can always do that later on over here. So now when I go back, switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!